హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు సాహితీ స్టూడియోస్ ఇన్ఫో. ఎలా ఉన్నారని అందరూ? నేను బాగున్నాను. దీపావళి అయితే వచ్చేసింది ఆఖరికి, రేపే కదా దీపావళి. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అందరూ? క్రాకర్స్ గట్రా కొనేసుకున్నారు. ఎక్కడెక్కడి నుంచో క్రాకర్స్ తెచ్చాను కదా అని చెప్పి దాని నిండా శానిటైజర్ చేసేసి, మొత్తం ప్యాకెట్లు ఓపెన్ చేసేసి దాని నిండా శానిటైజర్ చేసేసి, మీ చేతుల నిండా మీ హ్యాండ్స్ నిండా కూడా శానిటైజర్ పూసేసుకుని కాల్చుతాము. ఫైర్ అనేది ఆ శానిటైజర్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే శానిటైజర్లో మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఆల్కహాలిక్ శానిటైజర్స్ అనేవి మనం వాడుతూ ఉన్నాం కదా ఈ పాండమిక్ సీజన్లో. అవి బాగా ఎడిట్ అయిపోయాము, అది వాడాల్సిందే. కాబట్టి అదే ఫ్లోలో మీకు కూడా తెలియకపోతే ఏంటి మర్చిపోతూ ఉంటారు. చాలా విషయాలు తెలిసినవే మర్చిపోతూ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. కాబట్టి నేను మీకు గుర్తు చేస్తున్నాను, శానిటైజర్ రాసుకుని మాత్రం క్రాకర్స్ ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో కూడా కాల్చొద్దు. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు మన టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. మీకు సోదాపేసి టాపిక్ ఏంటి అంటే, నేను ఇప్పుడు మంచి ల్యాప్టాప్స్ మంచి ఏ విధంగా బడ్జెట్లో ఫ్లిప్కార్ట్లో ఆఫర్స్లో ఉన్న ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఎంత ఆఫర్కి వస్తుంది, ఎలాంటి ల్యాప్టాప్స్, దాని ఫీచర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తూ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ని నేను మీకు డిస్ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. మీరు దాన్ని చూసుకుంటూ ఏ విధమైన ల్యాప్టాప్ పర్చేస్ చేద్దాము అని అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు మంచి ల్యాప్టాప్స్ని పిక్ చేసుకుని పర్చేస్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు మీకు స్లైడ్ షో చూపిస్తూ నేను మాట్లాడుతూ చెప్తూ ఉంటాను.
Let's begin. I'll begin with Asus Celeron Dual Core. It comes with 4GB RAM and 1TB hard disk, and the Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it. It comes with 15.6-inch HD LED backlit display. It is very good in this price range of 18,900 rupees. And even we have offers with few banks in it. Good for beginners. And next I'll go with Asus VivoBook 50. It comes with 4GB RAM and 1TB hard disk with i3 processor. Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it. It comes with 15.6-inch HD LED backlit display. Its prices comes to 25,900 rupees. It's good for beginners. There are two colors provided here. One is star gray and another one is transparent white. It's very good and very lightweight laptop. Next I'll go with HP brand laptop, that is HP 15S Ryzen 3 dual core 3250U. It has 4GB RAM, 1TB hard disk, and with additional to it we are getting 256GB solid state drive, which is faster than HDD Windows 10 version, and it has 15.6-inch in display size, medium level for small office workers, which is prices around 37,490 rupees. Next I'll go with MSI Modern 14 core i5 10th generation. It has 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD. Windows 10 version is available with 14-inch. It comes with thin bezels with display, and we know that MSI is a gaming brand which prices around 49,990 rupees for normal student purpose, and to small gaming, this laptop is featured for the gamers, small gamers and normal students purpose. It's a stylish and portable, thin and light laptop where we can feel comfortable to carry anywhere. Okay, next I'll go with MI Notebook 14 core. It has 8GB RAM with 500GB SSD. Windows 10 version is available in this laptop, and 14-inch display, best for students, easy to carry. Webcam is given separately for this laptop. It prices around 43,999 rupees. And otherwise here another version is available which prices around 48,990 rupees. The difference is other getting 2GB of graphic card, which is useful for few gaming and graphic applications. Next I'll go with before going to another laptop, I just want to say one thing, that is it's a light laptop which is comfortable for everyone to carry everywhere. And next I'll go with Asus ZenBook 14. It is i5 processor. It has with 8th generation and 8GB RAM with 250 GB SSD. Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it. It has 14-inch display and lightweight as MI notebook, and Asus is leading company in manufacturing of motherboards. It has a guarantee with good quality of motherboards. It prices around 49,990 rupees. It even a stylish laptop. Next I'll go with Asus TUF Ryzen 7 quad core. It has 8GB plus 512GB SSD. Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it, and 4GB graphic card. Best for games in budget heavy, but it has a heavy weight due to cooling and massive gaming features. It has 17.3-inch, and even we have i5 processor mode in it. For programming purpose bias, it's very useful. It prices around 59,999 rupees. As it is heavyweight, some people may neglect this laptop, but it's very good for application where is coding and gaming. Next I'll go with HP brand. Under that I took HP Pavilion Gaming Ryzen 5. It has 8GB plus 1TB hard disk, where Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it. 4GB graphics it has, and a 15.6-inch display, and it's a gaming laptop. It's very useful for everyone. It prices around 57,990 rupees. It's a light laptop without any optical disk drive, as it is best for gaming applications. Next I'll go with Apple MacBook Air Core i5. It has 8GB and 120GB SSD, and best for iOS users, and Apple is popular for its brand, so it costs a little bit more comparatively features, and it is 13.3-inch HD display and lightweight laptop which we can carry for everywhere. It prices around 59,990 rupees. Next I'll go with MI Notebook Horizon. It has 8GB RAM and 500GB SSD. Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it, and its price is around 51,990 rupees with 4-inch display, where in this laptop too there is a webcam separately provided. It's a stylish and portable thin and light laptop which we can prefer easily. Next I'll go with MSI GF63. It's an easily affordable laptop as its features are highly good. It prices around 55,999 rupees with 8GB and 500GB SSD. Windows 10 version is pre-installed here in this laptop. It's a 4GB graphics and best for gaming. This laptop is preferred for gamings. Next I will go with Asus VivoBook i5, as it has 8th generation. It has 8GB and 500GB SSD with 14-inch display, lightweight and good for students. Here Windows 10 version is pre-installed in it. Price is around 58,990 rupees. Even here it is a laptop with stylish and portable thin light laptop. Next I'll go with Asus ROG GeForce Ryzen laptop. It has 16GB as internal and 500GB SSD. Windows 10 version is pre-installed here. It prices around 74,000. Here this laptop is mainly best for gaming with 14.4 HD display. Lastly I'll go with Asus ZenBook Duo with 8GB and 512GB SSD, 2GB graphics dual display. Windows is 10 version pre-installed here, and 14-inch display for multi-purpose. It prices around 2,890 rupees. I will provide these all laptops links in my description. Thank you. Please subscribe and comment if you have any doubts. Like my video and subscribe, and bell icon ni kuda ఖచ్చితంగా click cheyandi. Bell icon lo all అనే దాన్ని prefer cheyandi.